Hey guys, welcome back to Beaver 3D printing. Anyways, I have this planter here, vase planter, whatever you want to call it, for your plants, and it's a dragon. I got the STL on Maker World, so I'm just going to take off the supports if you guys want to watch. Start by this guy's here. Don't want to break anything either. Take this one apart here. And wear glasses, man, when you do this. You never know what. See it flying everywhere, man. Wear glasses. I'm trying not to break its teeth and stuff. Okay. Lots of supports. Lots and lots of supports in here. I don't want to break its teeth. Dang. Come back to that later. You guys can see all that, right? I'm sure you can. Just knock the supports out this way. At least it didn't break anything in the teeth. This took about, what was it, 1 day, 3 hours and something minutes. 1 day, 3 hours, something like that. Yeah, it was a long print, a lot of filament. But it looks nice. I mean, you guys may not approve of the color, but yeah, what can you say? What can you do? Okay. Everything looks so good. You guys like the noise it makes it? Oh. Ouch. And it's sharp. This stuff's sharp too, man. It's crazy how sharp it is. Yeah, lots of supports. I took this color. That's the only one. It's the only full roll I had because this took almost a full roll, 1 kilo roll, because it's very thick and it's heavy. And that's all of what I had left to a full roll. Everything else I had was not even full. So I ordered some more colors. This coming tomorrow on Monday. Just tomorrow because today's Sunday. So, oh God, man. Got that one right in the face. Move the camera here like this. When I come in, you guys can get a chance to see it. So, hey, let me see. Can I'll put it like that. Yeah. It's no joke when I say put glasses on because this stuff goes all over the place. Just got hit in the face, man. You know, ouch! They're sharp too, man. Sports. It's not the point that they're not too hard to take out. It's just there's a lot of them. So let's take a. So this is what it's starting to look like. You guys can see there. I got some more supports here in the nose area. I'll use a smaller tool to get it out later. Well, it looks nice. I'll take this thing out. There you go. You have a better view of it now. Okay. So that's what it looks like. It's a nice vase. Color is strange, but I think it fits. Yeah. I think it fits. Details are really nice. So, you know, the guy who made this one, you know, good job. I did not want to make it in different colors like using the AMS or my CFS. It would have taken, this thing would still be on print today. It would have taken over a week. That's why I wished it could come out with something better when it comes to color changing. You know, something faster. What the hell is that? Must be dirt from the screwdriver. What is this? Yeah. No. Anyways, needs to be washed. So. No supports in the back. That's about it. Let's take this off the plate. Hold on. So that's what it looks like. Looks like that. This is just a third from the screwdriver, damn it. But I think I could wash it off. This is what it looks like. Close up of the detail. Three holes are for the water to leak out. You put a plant in it. I think this came out really, really nice. What do you guys think? You know, you think it needs a paint job or leave it this color? You know, leave your comments below. Let me know what you guys think. You know, so it was a small video, guys. You know, show you what I've been doing. So anyways, like, share, subscribe, leave your comments below. Tell me what you want me to do, if you want me to paint it a different color or leave it like that. Let me know in my comments what you guys want me to do with that. You know, I find this color is nice. And thank you for my subscribers. Got more new subscribers, and thank you very much for subscribing. So anyways, guys, stay tuned for the next video. I'll talk to you shortly. Take care. Bye-bye.